The Apple Card. Is it a status symbol or a genuinely smart financial move? Let's dive in. First, the perks. You get daily cashback, usually 1% to 3%, deposited right back onto your Apple Cash card. That's immediate spending power. Step 1. Actively use your card to get this feature. Step 2. The clean interface in the Wallet app lets you easily track spending, categorize purchases, and even estimate interest charges. It's all designed to be incredibly user-friendly. Speaking of interest, Step 3. If you carry a balance, Apple Card's interest rates are often comparable to other cards, sometimes even lower, but always prioritize paying it off. Step 4. Security. You can request a physical titanium card for places that don't accept Apple Pay, but it has no number on it, making it safer if lost or stolen. However, Step 5. The biggest catch. To maximize your rewards, you really need to use Apple Pay. If you're not an Apple Pay user, the cashback falls to 1%. Finally, Step 6. The Apple Card lacks robust travel or purchase protection benefits offered by many other credit cards. Weigh the pros and cons carefully before applying. Consider your spending habits and if the Apple ecosystem aligns with your lifestyle.